Okay, guys, so basically I was just recording and I accidentally hit the stop recording button, and now this happened, so I'm in the middle of a match right now here, and you ain't getting part 1 of this one, by the way. This is actually part 2, and I got like a handful of grinding, got 6 rare tickets from, obviously, the Battle Cats quest. I got to stage 50 first try, and Pogo Cat, done all them. And now I'm getting attacked by a horde of stickmen. I don't like them stickmen. Do you like them? I don't. I hate stickmen. No. No! Stop. I don't like it. Thank you. You send it out to Snake instead. Actually, no thank you. That didn't help at all. And now a dog. No, now 2 dogs. Stop sending out people, please. I don't like it. No, not more stickmen and a dog. I wish I had that long range. Get over here. Okay, just give him a second. He's almost there. What? No, just give him a second. Guys, wait for him. Don't worry, he's here in a second. Okay, he's here. Okay, now this guy. A little sneeze. Little sniffles. Yay! Flower Cat. And by the way, I named my channel Glub Gub. Glub Gub, Glub Gub, Gub Tubble, Rabbit. No. Glub Glub, Gub Gub, Glub. Tank cats didn't listen. They said, when they said the size doesn't matter, now somewhat stronger attack. I need him, but I don't want to spend my cat food because I want Boogie here. No, do you know what? I'll play it the way. Oh yeah, he's here. You don't acquire. He's good. I'm gonna play it the way he does. Sauce, Captain Sauce, the goat. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Please excuse me. I did not know. I didn't know what I was doing. Speed up? No speed up. Speed up? No speed up. I need somebody that does area attack. Area attack. Ooh, what's this? One of the strongest fighters, rival with Axe Cat, 10 wins, 1 loss against red enemies. Sumo Cat. Area Cat. Sumo Cat. Area attack. He's also such a good meat shield. And it wouldn't hurt to like get it would just hurt like thing just as yes. Oh. Take all my XP. Eat it. I said eat it. It only costs 200 as well, which is amazing. And plus, actually, if you think about it, he only costs 145 because of, well, this, of course. So, I think that's a pretty good deal. 145. Let's go. Sorry. Just need a little dookie. Wait. I did equip it. Oh my god. Wait, no. Time to equip him now. I should have just done it in the menu there. But we don't ask questions. Questions, please. Questions. Sumo Cat is the goat though. If we're being honest, first her, and then it's Boogie Cat, of course, because he's like the goat. He's not the goat. He's the goat. There we go. I always wanted to do that, but I never knew how to, even though it said it to me. But now I've finally done this. Now I feel like a champion. Go, fat cat. Kitty. I can't say it. There's a family-friendly channel here. But Kitty something that sauce. Well, Captain Sauce calls him Kitty something, which I think is funny. But like, I'll literally get murdered if I say that. Go, fat cat. Wait, no, hold on. Rita's cat though. Does he have a cat? No, I'm kidding. Pause. Wait. No, don't you dare exit the video. I know you're about to. I was messing. No. Okay. I don't know why I'm just bananas. Banana! Coconut. I'm a coconut. Go. I'm a coconut. What's it for me? I'm a tree. I'm not a boy. I'm not a girl. I'm a coconut. I am a coconut. I'm a coconut. I am a coconut. Go. I'm a coconut. I want to be from a tree. Wait, no one gave birth to me. No, I came from a tree. Oh no, Sumo Cats are dying. Why did I do that? Sumo Cats, come on. Don't do this to me, Sumo Cat. You know you don't wanna. Just attack. It's so easy. Just clap them. Literally, just. That's all you need to do. See, that's all you do. You need to keep doing it. Yeah, see, you got the hang of it, fat cat. Oh, now I see what little damage he does. Oh my god, it's like 5 damage for 3 of them. Anyways, he's super fast to get out and super cheap. So he's actually quite good. He's actually amazing meat shield, if I'm being honest. Attack! Excuse me. Yeah, look at all of them. There's like 20 of them there. Good job. Good job, Sugar Cat. You like rule. You literally. Oh! Do I get a no rare cat? So it's okay. I'm so tempted to open them, but I can't let gambling control me. Go on, kidda. Kidda, you has cheeseburger. Kidda, you has cheeseburger. Kitty cat. It's a kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kika. 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 You're not the God of this asshole. I'm the wrong to own. Comment down below who's your favorite buyable special cat. Sumo, Boogie, Ninja, Dom, Bondage. I'm probably forgetting like a bunch of them. Kung Fu. kung fu actress who turns into beefcake. Oh, he's a little beefcake. Well, he's actually muscly, but that means beefcake, does that? Well, anyway, he's actually, and then there is spaghetti, border, bitter, butter. I don't know. Go get him, kitties. Cuter. Sumo Cat, if you win, I'll give you a cheeseburger. Yeah, see, he's definitely winning now. He wanted cheeseburgers. He wanted cheeseburgers. Yeah, he really does want that cheeseburger. God damn. No! Oh, it's just 2 or 1. But probably because there's like... Why do I keep doing that? I keep thinking it's long range. That's not anymore. Oh, there's like 3 hippos stacked in one now. I have no chance. I'm done for. Like, he could barely kill a stickman. Oh, no, sorry. He could barely kill a doge. Oh, yeah, we're done for. Wait, no, I need a gross cat. Gross cat saves the day. He always does. He's, like, insanely good against hippos, I think. Something just happened to my voice there, and it wasn't letting me, like, do the and it wasn't letting me go the voice, and I was genuinely, like, confused. Gross cat, you're useless. Okay, yeah, no. Kitty. Who has cheeseburger? Cheeseburger, kitty. You need a cheeseburger? I can give you a cheeseburger if you want, if you just win. If you just win, I'll give you a cheeseburger, please. Please, burger cheese. A cheeseburger, please. Please, burger cheese! No, don't let the bite gross cat. Yes, sumo cat. Sorry, fat cat. Not allowed to call you sumo cat. Fat cat. You're a cheeseburger lover cat. How more grotesquely strong did them hippos get? They're like 5 times stronger than they were before. That's 1 dead, finally. It's just them snakes and them doges are getting away. He cannot even kill a snake. Oh my god. He is bad. Do you know what we need? Go on. Tell me it. I can't hear you. Say it now. We need a cow cat. Then he evolves into like giraffe cat, and then he evolves into lion cat, and then he evolves into nothing because he doesn't evolve in the 4th form. Oh, my tummy. I think that's enough silly enough. Look at that, 10,000 XP slapped right across my face. That's how much I love. Yay. I would have preferred, like, a rare cat capsule, of course, like, because... Yeah! Just need it. Wait, is there events I can do? I need to do some events. Ooh, can I do you? What do you have for me? Can you beat me? Yes, you can. I think you can. Yes. I'll try it anyway. Speed ups. Yes, I know. I've played these games before, blood. I know what to do. I've low-key played these games before. You know what I say? I played these games before. Seriously, I've played this like 4 times. I've got this. I've literally beat chapter 3 4 times. I know what to do. Except what I have to do after chapter 3, of course. That's why I like gave up the game 5 times. No, 4 times, sorry. Oh yeah. Poopy doopy diapy. Are you a poopy diaper neighbor? No! The way the Sumo Cat, you actually defeated the I have the fastest cats in the world. It's almost another time of the year. It's definitely not February. Yeah, I really need to shut up. Whoa! 5,000 SP! Ooh, mission. Yeah, it's do cat claw, isn't it? Rare ticket? No. Clap claw tampon shop. What's there? Hint. There are many types of enemies, including red, black, and alien. The red enemies, axe cat and fish cat, are affected. Okay. That's my team. Oh no! Oh no! Wait, no! Speed up! Okay, we pretend that never happened. Okay, let's go. Listen, first, I wanna say it. Bruh. Like bruh. Okay, axe cat, go. Like bruh. That's light work. Never mind. I take that back. I'm sorry. I take that back now. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Now, please, no. Stop killing my axe cats, no. Nah, don't worry, fish cat gone. Damn, fish cat, ugly. Oh, that's it? I thought you were gonna. Oh, I think that I had a voice crack there. But yeah. That's a better thing. Turkey, in my viper. 3 leaderships. That is insanely amazing news. Oh yeah, there's 3. I don't think I want to do... Okay, never mind, I do want to do this. No, I pressed speed ups! No, ignore what just happened here. I pressed speed ups, okay? So, reverse about 5 seconds. And then go back forward 10 seconds. And now it'll be fine, yeah. Don't worry, be happy. Axe cat, sumo cat. Go! My champions! Go, my champions! You're beautifully fat. And also my beautiful champions. He's black. No, I didn't mean it like that. I meant he attacks black. Wait, no, that's so simple. No! Stop! Hold up. Wait a minute. Fat cat. No, fat cat died instantly. Oh, I'm done. I rage. Axe cat. Sumo cat. Hurry up, please. Yeah, no. I'm gonna just go back. 89. I need to get better cats. But I'm not summoning, of course, in like advanced stages. Okay, this advanced stages are really easy. But the thing is here, they cost 40 energy, and the rewards available is speed up. I don't need speed up though, so I go back up, okay? I don't know what happened there. Ritual happiness, isn't this like 1 star?
Oh, yes. Okay, guys, listen up here. So, this is what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna put on this and Angelic Devil. You're gonna get defeated.
Don't get him level 10. Actually, I probably will, but not now. He is disgusting at level 10. That's his level 1 stage, and he looks pretty sick at level 1, if I do say so myself. But level 10, gentleman cat, he's not a gentleman. Call the police.
Okay, anyways, ignoring that, it's time to go pro.
Oh man, he on X game mode.
Don't worry, I'm on X game mode.
Stickman, his one biggest weakness. Okay, never mind. Everything is his biggest weakness. He's so bad. When I buy him, that's 150 cat food. Well, 145 basically.
Math with glub glub. Math with glub 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 glub.
Yeah. That's 3 enemies, so there's gonna be a 4th. But what will the 4th enemy be? Uno, dos, tres. Or is it tres? I don't care. I'll say it how I want to. Sorry, French people. What? How do you say uno, dos, tres, cuatro? I think that's Spanish. I think it's French. No. Is it? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. I think that's French. Oh no, I'm stupid. Don't blame me.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Yes, the guys, the body scorch. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
Attack the tower, you numps.
Numpty!
It's gonna bring out a big boss right now. Oh my god. I could find the sky truck. Quabra, ice. Get a bottle. That's the side. Eastern Highness attack and the armor. In the book, oh, that's Antara. They're dying. It just took up. It just. No. It just killed 5 sumo cats at once. That's how we do it. We upgrade. Oh no, I'm dead. I should have upgraded my characters. Ow! It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's not okay, guys. Don't listen to me. Ignore me. It is really not okay, guys. We're dead. No, please. Mercy, mercy. I spent a treasure raider on that. 90 HP. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Anyways, that's gonna be it, guys. Yeah. What's my ending again? Oh no. Well, I think I can think of it. No, wasn't that? Okay. Anyways, see you guys later.